we're doing a high-performance SUV talk, walk around and get giddy with some Italianism, right? You say, Tone, what is that thing doing and you're surrounded by all these American cars? Well, when a car looks good and goes fast, it belongs here at Fleming's Ultimate Garage, and that's what we're doing today. We're talking about why potentially you could be wheeling this car and how exciting it might be. These Stelvios, while great looking, come in different packages and ranges, right? So this one here is top of the line, the TI Sport, right, model. The interior is different, things outside are different, bigger wheels and tires, painted calipers, lots of different things. This car is approaching the $60,000 mark for the original MSRP, and why it's such a great deal with the low mileage it has today. All right, so we'll take a minute, we'll do our typical paint test. We'll do that just to show you that factory paint from Italy is very nice. That's where these are built. Big brakes, big wheels and tires. We'll move around the car, we'll check out some cool stuff. When you buy a Car-fax certified one-owner car, that's an important deal. Why? Because typically people who have a car like this and they keep it low mileage take really good care of their cars, right? They're not kicking the door open, throwing their stuff on the seat. You know, it's their baby. They park it in a garage at work, they park it in a garage at home. And this Vesuvio Grey Metallic paint is showing exactly the care that they took into it. As far as a used car goes, or what we might refer to as a previously owned car, it's virtually flawless as you walk around it. And you can read how good is that the letters that are in there right now. That is a good test of the quality of paints, how clear, the clarity of all of that font that's in there. All right. Anyway, I think that that's great. Not only that, the red interior pops with it. It looks so good, right? Because I think a gray car with a black interior is nice looking. However, it can be a little dark and stormy. Here we have some real Italian pieces in here that just, that's what they do. They just do stuff differently. All right, so let's take a peek under here, right? 2-liter aluminum turbo, fast, 8-speed automatic, right? Shifts like this, 4-wheel fully independent suspension, all-wheel drive. Power 4-wheel disc brakes, fast ratio power steering, big footprint on those wheels and tires. Like, this is a great handling, great running SUV. Not to mention it's got paddles behind the steering wheel, so you can drive it a little bit like a sports car if you want in manual mode, or just put it in drive and head on to work. Anyway, we're under the hood. We should be staying focused about here, but look how easy it is to get to everything. Everything's well lit. And again, when you have super low miles and well taken care of, you can see how clean things look. All right, so this is a premium SUV, and you say, well, what's a premium SUV mean? Well, meaning that it is a top-of-the-line kind of vehicle for us commoners, right? There's a lot of SUVs out there, and they don't look, feel, or do a lot of this, what this car does. First off, the styling is fabulous. A lot of people don't know, but the grille itself is patented, that style. You can't copy that grille, right? A trademark, sorry. And then here we have this call out. This tells us that it's a Q4, and the Q4 says that we're all-wheel drive, okay, all the time. Big exhaust pipes, right, gives us a performance feel. This sloping roof, right, the style that's here. And then little luxury stuff like, you know, a lot of things have electric opening, but the premium parts of this are the aluminum tracks that are built in here, and the fact that you can move the sliders around, right? You got some storage, even more side in here, okay? The back seats split and fold down. There's also a ski type piece there where you put your skis through and still seat people inside. A lot of thought was given to all of that. And then this is a storage cover here, so when it's closed, you can't see in. And little things like that, which this right here, this door is adjustable for height as well. All right, you walk up to this and you go, wow, this is really nice. Check out that grille. That grille is fabulous, right? Big red calipers sticking through the wheels there. And if you want to make it a little bit of your own, these wheels can also be shot in black or color match to match the car if that's what you want. Just ask us. Little tiny things like a little touch here. When you have the remote in your pocket, locks and unlocks the doors so you don't have to take your keys out. Again, we're talking about premium SUVs. Start button right here on the steering wheel. Little police going on right there, message in a bottle. Great gauges, 160 mile an hour speedometer, 7,000 RPM tach. This right here is really nice. You can change the screen to make it, you can split the screen for nav and radio. You can design the screen however you want. Dual climate control for both sides. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. And all of the suspension adjustments. Also, the drive modes are really amazing. The drive modes change the car completely. You put it in dynamic mode and you have a sports car. You put it in a normal mode, it's just a regular driving car, and it's just great. So many pieces about it, like this right here, in case you want to adjust the seat. Like, these are all premium things that you don't get in like a regular car. Nice touches, all of the fit and finish, all of the things that touch nicely. All fit out really well. Tons of storage, charging, USB, hardwired, electronic parking brake. You can shift it if you want to here. You can shift it if you want to here. All the controls for everything are right here. And then, of course, memory seats, power windows, power locks, tilt steering column, on and on and on. Giant sunroof in here. It's a panoramic sunroof. It's an expensive option. It's part of the package too. That's why I say when sometimes you see these, some look nice, but some are significantly nicer than others, and I think that's what we have here. All right, so let's close up the video and talk about this for a second. What is a premium SUV again, right? Well, we're talking about styling, because styling is important. I don't care what you say. As luxurious as it inside, if you don't love walking up to it, it's not for you. This right here is great looking. Big wheels and tires, right? Optional 20s with the red calipers there. Fresh set of Continental Super contacts all the way around. Panoramic sunroof, right? Heated seats, paddle shifters, embossed headrests, the special interior for the TII and the Sport packages in here. It's just like loaded with all this great stuff. It's just, it fits us. It fits this kind of thing that we do where we love cars. We like good looking, fast cars, and that's exactly what we're talking about here. Call us 301-816-1000. We'll tell you all about this Alfa Romeo Stelvio TII Sport. And if you would, please don't forget to hit the like button down below in the video. That helps get our message out. Subscribe to the channel. We have new stuff coming out all the time, and share it with your friends. I think that they would love some cool cars that we have here as well. I'll see you on the test drive.